Hi guys, my name is Hannu and I'm from Finland. Come and join me as I convert this 2006 Iveco Daily to an amazing camper van. There is always an adventure waiting for you, so let's go.
Okay, so now we have the hole also through the metal. We need to treat the edges with primer paint. And here is the drain, and goes through now, so we can install through this hole shower tray, and we can also inspect this shower tray if we have some kind of issue in the future, so we can screw this outside of the van underneath, and this side we can screw out from the inside of the van. Okay, so I have a few plywood strips in here that I'm gonna screw to the ceiling between these structural beams on the roof. So I'm gonna screw these in here. Okay, I think this should be strong enough. This is just a like basic polyurethane glue that I'm going to use around the edges, so this will hold the shower tray in place. I have a few blocks here to give it a little bit support. These are just for extra support, but I'm gonna glue around the edges and maybe around here. So in here it's a little bit tight squeeze. The ceiling is touching against this the frame, so we need to cut a little bit off. Okay, now it fits and barely touching the metal in here. Now I have installed the first 4 pieces of the frame. So the access for the shower room is 50 centimeters. So I'm going to add a few more wall posts in here, so the structure would be strong. Okay, I'm fitting a little piece of plywood up in here so we can install the ceiling. So we have something to screw the ceiling on. Okay, I try to figure it out what is the good height for the bed, and I have here marked 95 centimeters from the floor, and if you add 10 centimeters mattress in here, so that would be just fine. Or if you add like a little bit more, let's say 20 centimeters, so we are about this height. First I thought that I'm gonna use this little extra space for the bed area, but the bed should be pretty low, and I think this is too low for our bed, since the garage area is gonna be way too small for us after that. So I think the 95 should be just fine. And I think if you have the mattress in here, you're gonna sit on the bed, you won't hit your head on the ceiling, so I think the height gonna be great. Of course there's gonna be some upper cabinets, and but I don't want to build too big of those. I've seen some videos and pictures that some people I think they made too big upper cabinets, and the van itself started to look really small. I know this is big van, but I still want the van to be roomy and airy, you know, not because the toilet, the bathroom area is quite big. So if you put big upper cabinets in here, it's gonna feel more tighter than smaller. So small upper cabinets, so we can store our stuff in there. Also we have more storage under the seats and above the wheelhouse, as we could say. But yeah, we have power for the USBs. This is a little bit overkill, but you never know if you need to draw more amperage. And we have 2.5 square millimeter cables for that. We have cable for the lights, both sides the same thing, for the USBs, for the lights. Now we have the line for the bed frame. Need to install some structural beam in here, and same on the other side, so we can get lots of the load from the bed in here. I think I'm gonna try to fit a few things with this special tool. I have not drilled the holes. I also drilled first in here, but yeah, I need to take this one out. And so this is the angle aluminium that we're gonna use in here. So I have the tool, special tool for these rib nuts. Here, like this. Okay. Yeah. And now we got two rib nuts on the place, and I already drilled the holes in here. I am just test fitting it now because I think I need to cut this a little bit shorter. Let's see how well this is going to fit in here.